If you sell products to customers in different countries, showing prices in their local currency can make your store feel more trustworthy and improve conversion rates. Instead of asking customers to calculate exchange rates themselves, Shopify can automatically display prices based on their location. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set up automatic currency conversion by customer location in Shopify, even if you're completely new to the platform. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Before setting up automatic currency conversion, make sure Shopify Payments is activated, because this feature depends on it. Go to Settings and then Payments. If Shopify Payments isn't active yet, complete the setup process before continuing. Once Shopify Payments is enabled, go back to Settings and click Markets. Shopify Markets controls how your store appears to customers in different countries, including currencies, pricing, languages, and domains. Inside the Markets section, you'll see your existing markets. Shopify usually creates a primary market for your home country and an international market for other countries. If needed, click Add Market to create separate markets for different regions, then add the countries you want to include. Next, open the market you want to configure. Scroll to the Products and Pricing section and make sure local currencies are enabled. Shopify will automatically display local currencies based on the customer's location. It also updates exchange rates automatically, so you don't have to adjust prices manually every day. You can also customize your pricing strategy. Shopify allows you to use automatic exchange rates or apply manual percentage adjustments for specific markets. This is useful if you want to offset additional costs, such as international shipping, taxes, or import duties, while still displaying prices in the customer's currency. Now, make sure your storefront includes a country or market selector. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your active theme. Look for settings in the header or footer related to the country selector, market selector, or localization options. Enable the selector so customers can manually change their country or currency whenever they want. If your theme doesn't include this feature, consider updating to a newer version or installing a compatible localization app from the Shopify App Store. Many modern themes already include built-in support for Shopify markets. Another important setting is automatic market detection. Shopify uses the customer's IP address to identify their location and display the appropriate market, currency, and language whenever possible. Make sure this feature is enabled in your market preferences if it's available for your store. After saving your settings, thoroughly test your storefront. Use Shopify's Market Preview or a VPN to simulate visitors from different countries. Confirm that customers from the United Kingdom see British pounds, customers from Europe see euros where applicable, and customers from other supported regions see their local currencies. You should also test the complete checkout process, because the currency displayed on product pages should match the currency shown in the cart and at checkout. Consistent pricing helps build customer confidence and reduces abandoned carts. Finally, review your market settings regularly. As you expand into new countries, you can create additional markets, adjust pricing, or enable more currencies without creating a separate Shopify store. So, to quickly recap, activate Shopify Payments, configure Shopify Markets, enable local currencies, customize pricing if needed, turn on the country selector, test different customer locations, and verify that checkout uses the correct currency. Automatic currency conversion creates a smoother shopping experience for international customers. I hope this tutorial helped you set up automatic currency conversion by customer location in Shopify. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.